Today's video, we're gonna go ahead and do my server boyfriend's budget planning along with his cash stuffing. He is a server and he pays himself every 2 weeks, holding on to his tips throughout those 2 weeks. And then finally he pays himself on a Friday. That is what we are planning today. So let's get into it. If you guys are new here, my name is Ariel. I'm a zero-based budgeter and I use the cash envelope system. On this channel, I am sharing my journey to becoming debt-free along with how we budget both a salary and server income, along with what we're learning along the way. If any of that interests you, feel free to subscribe and let's get into the video. Today is to date my boyfriend's largest paycheck. So it's really exciting. Actually, we were both very, very excited. After his first week, we were both kind of like, we think that you might hit this new high, like this new record high. Looked at him and I was like, I think you're gonna hit 1,300. And sure enough, guys, he did. Oh my gosh, we're so excited. He's been doing really, really good at his job. In fact, tonight he is training for the first time, so he's becoming a trainer. And so it's just really exciting. I'm so proud of him. And so yeah, it was a very, very exciting paycheck. We're both very proud and we're both very grateful because we are about to go on a trip with holidays and he had no money saved up. So this was perfect. So let's go ahead and just dive right into how we are using his paycheck, this paycheck period, along with some cash stuffing. All right, here is my Papers by Jessica Ann planner that we are working with. So his check is going to cover May 26th through June 15th. So his income is his tips, and he got a total of $1314.60. So that is so exciting. So we're both super grateful for that. So first things first is his fixed bills, his fixed expenses. So we are going to do HBO Max. That comes out on the 27th. And that is $9.99. Oh, I skipped one. The 24th. Wait, I didn't skip one. That doesn't come out this paycheck. Okay. The next one is PlayStation Plus. So that is the 31st. And that is also $9.99. And then we have everything on the first. So rent, $300, storage. This increased for the both of us, so that's exciting. This is now $87.51. And then gym is $30. And then he has phone on the 15th, which is $80. And then also on the 15th, car insurance, which is $100. All right, gonna go ahead and add all this up. All right, so $9.99 plus $9.99 plus $300 plus $87.51 plus $30 plus $80 plus $100. So $617.49. All right, subtract that from the $1314.60 minus $617.49. That was not right. $617.49. $697.11. All right, moving on to variable expenses. So first we have grocery, which is getting $150. We have gas, which is getting $100. Groceries, nope, not groceries again. He is getting eating out, which is $60. And then have fun is getting 50. Hair, it's getting 10. Miscellaneous is getting 20. And then our cat Sora is also getting 20. Okay, we'll add all that up. So 150 plus 100 plus 60 plus 50 plus 10 plus 20 plus 20. We've got 410. And subtract that from that. 697.11 plus 410, oh, not plus, minus. Here, let's try that again. So 697.11 minus 410 equals 287.11. Let me count up his savings this time and make sure it is actually the correct amount. There is something that is not right. Really? Oh, that's what's wrong. All right, I'm so glad I did that because I got that wrong. And I feel like I keep on doing that. That's 150. We split his 300 rent in half, so each paycheck is 150, but I was thinking the fact that 300 is due on the first. So let's go ahead and redo some of these numbers. So let's add all these up again. 9.99 plus 9.99 plus 150 plus 87.51 plus 30 plus 80 plus 100. 467.49. Okay, and then we'll subtract that from up here. So 1314.60 minus 1467 or 467.49 cents. And then we're left with $847.11. So that looks more right to what we were looking at. So that minus the 410, 437.11, which looks much better than what I was looking at before. Okay, now we've got it all situated. So now his savings. So he's giving himself a buffer of $15. He decided for emergency, he is going to do $47.11 for the 100 envelope challenge. He decided on 25. And then we've got his secret savings is 100. And then Christmas is 50. And then we are traveling this upcoming weekend, so travel is getting 200. All right. And adding all this up, I believe we should get the 437.11. Before we get started on the cash stuffing portion of this video, I first want to say I have some Happy Meal. You guys might know her from over on Instagram. She is absolutely wonderful and so sweet. It is ADHD Budgets, and she sent me some Happy Meal. I honestly have no idea what she sent me, so this is going to be really exciting. Let's see what we got. Oh my goodness. Okay, so we got a thank you card. Oh my gosh. She's literally so sweet. So ADHD Budgets, she's amazing. Her Etsy is shop by Liz, L-E-I-Z. So, oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Oh my gosh. Oh, these are so pretty. Girl, are you kidding me? Okay, so she sent a 1,000 envelope challenge, or 1,000 envelope, $1,000 challenge. Oh my gosh, I love this. And I love that she has the tracker on the back. So as you're stuffing the envelope, you can go ahead and just put it in there. And she also did a whole little peekaboo. Oh my goodness. Okay, let me go ahead and put some cash in it so we can see what it looks like. All right, so if you put a $20 in it, oh my gosh, how cute is that? And then she also sent a Be Kind to Yourself challenge. And it looks like we've got some coffee or tea, like a little shopping bag. Oh my goodness. Oh, I love this. Ooh, it's a $480 savings challenge. Oh my gosh. Okay. After I'm done with my croissant savings challenge, definitely going ahead and start on that one. Oh my gosh. I love this. I love like the subtle pink. Like it's not like bright and in your face. It's just like slightly there. And I love that. Girl, these are so pretty. Oh my gosh. Okay. Check out her shop. This is fantastic. Again, here's her Instagram and everything. So go ahead and check her out. She also has a really, really cool budget planner that I've seen and it looks amazing. I know it is a hot ticket item right now, along with her savings challenges. And then also she has like a starter bundle binder that's so pretty and like with this kind of style of envelopes. And so I would totally recommend it. Oh my gosh, girl. I love these. They're so cute. So that's exciting. Thank you again. Oh my gosh, she's so sweet. Oh my gosh. All right, how fun was that? I think that was actually my first Happy Meal on this channel. So again, go ahead and check her out. I'll leave her link for everything in my description down below. So go ahead and check her out. She's really honestly so sweet and so awesome. So what 10 out of 10 I recommend. So all right, let's get into stuffing some envelopes. All right, here we go. Let's count up the money. And by the way, sorry if it's looking dark. It's actually like 8 p.m. right now. So I was trying to record earlier, it just wasn't working out. So we got 100, 200, 250, 300, 250, 400, 450, 500, 520, 40, 60, 80, 6, 20, 40, 60, 80, 7, 20, 40, 60, 770, 80, 90, 800, 10, 15, oh, wait, 810, 15, 20, 25, 30, and 35. All right, there we go. Guys, I literally love opening this binder, outside of the fact that it's a beautiful binder, but can we take a look at these envelopes? So pretty. All right, so grocery. Grocery is getting $150. So 100, 40, 50. Okay, and then we've got gas. Gas has $25 in it. It's beautiful. So gas is going to get 100. And then eating out has like nothing in it and it's getting 60. Hair has currently, okay, that's what I thought. I was like, there should be 3. Okay, it's got $30. Now it's got 40. I think he said that he was going to get a haircut soon. So he actually should be fully budgeted for a haircut because his is much cheaper than mine. And then that should also include tip. Fun is getting 50. Which I think since we're traveling, this all should be like a really light load because obviously all of that chunk is going to come out of a different budget. And then miscellaneous is getting 20. Oh, miscellaneous already has 20. Okay. We're going to go ahead and move that over here. All right. And there is his everyday cash envelopes. All right, so next we're gonna go ahead and just put his rent in his rent envelope really quick. We'll get that one done and out of the way. Bam. $300, which will go to my parents for rent. So that is fully covered, fully funded. And then next is sinking funds. Next is sinking funds. I don't know what I was thinking. So first, okay, I'm almost done with his new Christmas savings challenge. So that will actually be very fun to stuff once it is ready to go. So he said $50. Let's go ahead and do that in the form of 2 20s and a 10. So now he has 50, 70, 90, 110, 120, 30, 45, 55, 65. 165, how exciting! That is actually adding up really fast, it feels like. All right, so for him, first is Sora. Sora will get $20. So now Sora has $32 in it. Right, next. Deposit is actually going to be the 100 envelope challenge contribute that he does. So we've got $25. And then miscellaneous, he had 20 left over. So we're going to add that 20 to here. So now in our miscellaneous, we have 20, 40, 60, 70, 80, 1, 2, 3, $83 in here. So that's cool. I love having a miscellaneous fluff. That is not for anything. So let's go ahead and see how much money we have. We should out of these have 200. So let's go ahead and count that up really quick. So 150, 170, 180, 595, 200. So we have $200 right here. So that's amazing. We'll have that for our trip. And then he has a leftover 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. And that will actually, since that was just rollover from last paycheck, that will also go towards the 100 envelope sinking challenge. So his contribute in total is 25, 35, 45, 50. Awesome. So that is fantastic. I cannot wait for a trip. I'm so excited about that. So, man, I think that is all of it. That is his budget. How exciting. We're so excited about the fact that he hit $1,300. So again, when he started like getting up there quickly, it was like, babe, I think this might be the paycheck that you get over $1,300, which is insane. But so excited for him as a server to be able to be making that, because his first run as a server at like a bigger restaurant was not good at all. So definitely glad that him working at like a more local restaurant is actually getting him a lot of success. So, and again, today is his first training shift. So that's just really exciting too. So, which meant that he got a promotion. So love all of that for him. So excited for him. And then so excited about our trip this weekend. So, the total was 400, and so both of us portioned 200 out of it. But I do hope to go ahead and do a breakdown either before I leave or when I got back to break down. Maybe when I get back, so I can break down how much we spent, where we spent, and how much we budgeted for each category, which I think would be probably really useful. I mean, it's a very short trip. We're just gonna go see some really good friends of ours because it's their baby's first birthday. I'm so excited. Thanks again to ADHD Budgets for your sweet happy mail. I love them so much. I cannot wait to use them. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.